Gardening tools. Hello, I'm Mindy. It's nice to meet you. Do you have a garden at home? Well, I do. Let's take a look at my garden. Can you see all the plants? It's nice, isn't it? I planted them with my father and my mother. I use some gardening tools to help me. Let's see. I use gloves. 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 Gloves help to protect my hands. I use rake. R-A-K-E. Rake. Rake helps collecting dead leaves and grass. I use wheelbarrow. W-H-E-L-B-A-R-R-O-W. Wheelbarrow. Wheelbarrow helps moving things. I use shovel. S-H-O-V-E-L. Shovel. Shovel helps to dig and move big rocks. I use trowel. T-R-O-W-E-L. Trowel. Trowel helps to dig and plant small trees. I use flower pot. F-L-O-W-E-R P-O-T. Flower pot. Flower pot is used to plant small flowers. I use watering can. W-A-T-E-R-I-N-G-C-A-N. Watering can. Watering can helps to water my plants. My garden is very beautiful. I plant a lot of flowers too. It makes me happy. I have to go now. I need to water my plants. See you later. Bye bye.